I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable speed-sensitive volume in the Ford Sync 4 system. Step 1. Tap Settings on your Ford vehicle's infotainment screen. Step 2. Tap Sound in the list of options in this menu. Step 3. Tap to select Speed-sensitive volume, Speed-compensated volume, or Speed volume. Step 5. Select your preferred sensitivity level, such as low, medium, high, or off. Once enabled, your vehicle will automatically adjust the CarPlay volume as your speed changes. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.